Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sell your designs on Canva. First of all, what you have to do is search for Canva Creator on Google search engine. So once the search results has been opened, you have to click on the Canva Creators, which is the top search result. Click on it and a new page will open. You have to sign in with your Google account maybe. So you have to click on Become a Creator. Click on it and then you'll be able to see welcome to Canva Creators. We aim to build the world's best content, blah, blah, blah. Set your own time, enjoy. Simply what you have to do is click on apply and it will take about 5 minutes. From here, you will get 3 different options. If you're a designer, click on designer, teacher, or business. So I'm gonna click on designer. You have to select the option which suits you the best. Click on continue. And then it will ask you what are your niches are. For example, I am good at social media, websites, and photos. Also, I'm good at videos. So you have to click on continue. And then you have to select your level. If you're entry level, mid level, or senior, select the appropriate option according to yourself. Click on continue. And then what are your creative interests? Design, UI, UX. You have to select each of the options that suits you the best. So click on continue after that. Now, let's set some goals. What are your motivations for becoming a creator? Obviously, first of all, is the earning, community, and I will click on continue. So you have to give some of your details, personal details, like your first name, your last name. You also have to share a URL, or if you have a website in which you have your portfolio, you have to input your website as well. You have to select your country. And you have to select how did you learn about Canva Creators program. So you have to input each of the details and click on submit. And after that, the Canva Creators team will review your application and check if you're eligible for becoming a Canva creator or not. If you're eligible, then you'll get an email back from Canva, which means you have successfully become a creator. So after that, you can set prices and each and everything, and that's simply how you can sell your designs on Canva. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.